I'm just going to quickly add his name to my t-shirt. What a gwaan with your party. It's me, EJ. Me a check in, but now I'm gonna check out. Guys, before I get into the video, can we just have a moment to appreciate my top? It says hashtag. Look, I don't know if you can see that, but it says hashtag smile. In today's video, we are going to be I am going to be designing my own sliders. Let me quickly get them. They're right over here. Me and my mom have already done some designs on them. Just have a quick peek. We're not quite done doing all the designs yet, but we're about to colour it in soon. But before we get started with these lovely, lovely shoes, we have to update my Black History Matters t-shirt. Woo, woo. I found out about another black historian, and his name is called Paul E. Williams. Paul E. Williams invented the component of the first useful helicopter. So basically, if it wasn't for him, we wouldn't have helicopters that actually worked. I'm just going to quickly add his name to my t-shirt.
What we do here is go back.
Okay guys, I have just added Paul E. Williams to my shirt. Now let's move on to my sliders. Okay, let's finish up designing, Ma. Okay guys, I finished designing my sliders, so let's get these bad boys on. Let's see how these look on. I absolutely love these. I'm just going to give you a clip. I'm just going to give you a quick close-up. So look, let me just quickly show you this. This is the one my mum was designing. I made her design one. Here's the side, and it's like red to yellow. Can't you see? It looks really good. And it's like a half of a heart. And my other one, what I designed is, I just randomly done different colors. But what I wanted on the side is I wanted red, gold, green, and black. Look, the green and the black. Can you see it? And these shoes together, it makes it perfect. Hot. It does all swirly whirlies. So I'm loving my shoes. Ah! Okay guys, that is the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed me making these fabulous shoes. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down below if you have ever coloured on shoes before like this, and if you like my designs I done, and my mom, but she done the designs too. Just remember, and don't forget to like, checking out, not checking in. I'll be inside. Yes,